now proceed with our next session, Reimagining AV Control through Open Architecture DSP. This technical session will focus on the growing role of open architecture DSP platforms in building centralized AV infrastructures that simplify system control, monitoring, and long-term management, and so much more. For this session, I would like to invite Mr. Vikram Yadav, founder and director, EarthPort. Mr. Vikram has built a distinctive presence in the professional audio sector. As the founder and director of Pink Noise Professionals and EarthPort, he has been a visionary in driving business growth, introducing advanced AV technologies, and promoting high-quality Make in India professional audio solutions. May I please request Mr. Vikram to please join me on stage? We can begin the session.
Thank you, Ritika. Thank you so much for inviting us to do this presentation about our brand called EarthPort, which is a Make in India initiative. I'm going to start the session. Thank you so much. So EarthPort, we started in 2022 in Delhi with a vision that we wanted to make a global brand from India about the conferencing products and conferencing devices like DSP processor, conferencing microphone, and wireless. We'll talk about those later. So myself, Vikram, founder, director of EarthPort, and my co-founder, Ms. Hina. So we both started this project in 2022 and with a vision to make the brand from India for conferencing products. So you can see these all are the products that we do. Basically, we do DSP and mixers, and then we have NCS, which is wired digital conferencing microphones. Then we have PTZ camera for conferencing application. We do have integrated loudspeakers, Arch wireless, basically for wireless equipment. We do have antenna distribution systems, and then vector microphone to cover the your conferencing and microphone needs, and then we have headset microphones, which is flexi feather. You can see. Let's talk about the Cairo DSP. So Cairo DSP is open source, open architecture DSP server, and then we have a paging station here. So this Cairo series cover Cairo station, a paging device, Cairo 44, which is 4-channel DSP processor. We have Cairo Connect 128D, which is modular, semi-modular DSP with 12-in 8-out and 4 flex channels. Cairo series DSP has 128 Dante I/O capacity. Then Cairo Connect I/O. So basically, Cairo Connect I/O is like a modular DSP where you can select your input and output by choosing 4-channel cards. So we do have 4-channel input card and 4-channel output card, then USB cards. We'll look at in later. So Kier DSP, basically Kier was the first product of ours from EarthPort. It's a fixed architecture, so we do have 4 variant here. Kier 44, Kier 88, Kier 88D. So Kier 88D has 8-channel Dante capacity, Kier 1616, and then we have LMS, which is 2-in 6-out and 4-in 8-out. We have wall controller for the visual room and to control the parameters. No conference microphone system. So if you talk about the conferencing systems, we do have flush mount and tabletop conferencing microphones. You can check out. There we have a controller with a capacity up to 110 microphones. We have recently reworked on it, and now we can connect up to 150 microphones in a same device. As I said, we are continuously evolving our products and doing research after taking the input from market. This conference system has one like NCS 5C, which is chairman microphone, NCS 5D, delegate microphone, and then we have a power supply. So you can use power supply if you want more connectivity. And then we have the flush mics. You can check out, these are the flush microphones with the different gooseneck options. We do have PTZ basically for conferencing product. It has 4K 20x zoom and 4K HD version. You can And after that, we have Antares series in our products for basically boardroom and conferencing applications. We do have column array, very discreet, sleek. We do have ceiling speakers to fulfill the conferencing need basically, and for background music. You can check out these two model. We do have the basically we believe in tech. So our ceiling speakers are equipped with the Dante tech. So it has a Dante connectivity as well as analog also. This is our open back ceiling speakers for conferencing need. And then we have a Dante column speaker. So basically ACS 4 to 5 and ACS 9 to 5. So ACS 4 to 5 has a 4 driver in it. Each driver has 2.5 inch neodymium magnet in it. It's a full range of speakers you can check out. Then we have Arch wireless microphone. So basically Arch was our first products, and it has a single channel and dual channel microphones with handheld and a lapel along with a headset microphone facility. These are the variant you can see: handheld, body pack, headset, dual channel wireless microphone, dual channel body pack with lavalier, dual channel body pack with headset. Going forward, we do have antenna distribution systems basically for complex integrations. If you need to have a better connectivity, you please use our distribution systems, which gives you reliable connection over RF. We have an antenna combiner, a splitter, and then directional antenna. Then vector series, basically there are people, those who have requested to do the wired microphone. This is something we have few products like goosenecks, boundary microphones, and handhelds. There are VD1, VC1s, basically condenser and dynamic microphones. We do have a gooseneck microphone with sock mounts for podium like this, and then we have flexi feather, very light-weighted headset microphone for conferencing applications. These are the variants. So it's like 3.5 mm jack, so you can use any third-party, brand. So it works with all major brands available. Oh, okay. Now coming to the Cairo series, because this agenda is more focused on the open architect DSP, and we'll talk more about the Cairo series. Because this is our recent launch in our brand, so we'll focus more. Overview: we'll talk about the product family, about the software, installation and reliability, why now, device detail, applications, etc. Why now? So why we need Cairo series DSP in India? Because now the integration business is so complex. It's very plug and play systems. It works great for the all kind of audio installations. These are the product family. So Cairo family has basically 3 products. One is Cairo Connect IO, which is modular conferencing DSP with capacity of 8 slots. So each slot, as I told you, has 4-channel card, IO card, and it has a dual backup. So it's a AC and DC. So if you're doing some projects, if you're running our device on electricity, at the same time you can connect with your DC, so that if you fail, it switch over. We use high quality ADI-SOC DSP in it, to so that it's the best. ADI-SOC is the best. So we use the best chips for our DSP. And then Cairo Connect IO. So basically the smaller version of Cairo Connect IO, Cairo Connect 128D. It has 12 input and 8 output with the capacity of 4-channel you can choose as an input or output. The Cairo Connect IO use same chip as Cairo Connect, Cairo Connect 128D use same chip what we use in our flagship products, Cairo Connect IO. It's ADI-SOC. Then smaller version which is Cairo 44D. It has a 4-channel in, 4-channel out with 4x4 Dante connectivity. It runs over PoE, so you don't need actually external power supply. So you can install it anywhere. And then we have paging stations. So paging station in a conference environment, when you do the zoning, or if you want to stream music, or if you wanted to switch to announce anything, you can use always our paging station. Let's talk about Kare Connect IO. Basically, as I said, it use ADI Shark. Basically, a processor. The chip is 21569. Very high quality chip with the capacity to process very complex signal through it. It has a capacity to do 128 in 128 IO Dante connectivity. Then it has a dual power backup. As I said, AC plus 24 volt DC. Very low latency. It has 64 GB media storage. So if you wanted to schedule your music or stream your music and wanted to schedule it for particular time, you can do it. As I said, it has a modular card. So KAI4 4-channel mic input line. Then we have hardware AEC. So if someone wants dedicated 4-channel N card, you can use Cairo 4-channel AEC card. Then 4-channel IO and then USB cards. Cairo Connect 128D. So basically, it's used the same chip, ADI SAX 21569. It has the same capacity of less than 5 milliseconds delay, 64 GB media storage, uh, you know, plus both like AC plus DC, dual power backup. It has 128 in, 128 out Dante connectivity. Basically, in a very small form factor, you can see this device has a capacity to process 128 channel. So you can do a lot of work with this. It has very good. Uh, then the Cairo 44D. So Cairo 44D is complementing our Cairo Connect IO and Cairo Connect 28D. We'll talk about its applications, and you can see even because it's a small device and we are using ADI SAX, the chip is why I'm always talking about the chips, because you can go and check about more detail on ADI analog device website to check out that ADI SAC 21489 what these chips can do. So you can read more about online from analog devices. Cairo station, it's extended product from Cairo family. So basically, it runs on Dante. It's run over PoE, so you don't need to power it up. Android 7-inch screen. It has a capacity to store 2 GB, 16 GB ROM. I'll not go into much tech. Then Cairo Connect IO versus 28. So you can see there is very minor difference. Basically, Cairo Connect IO is much more flexible. So if somebody wants to use AEC card, can take Cairo Connect IO for very complex integrations. But most of the time, Cairo Connect 128 does the job because there's hardly difference. Use same principles, same chips. Let's see how we work. So basically, you need to connect our device through LAN and just go to Discover, then design it, and then connect, simulate, and then just deploy. It's very, very, very fast in use. One more thing is, like if you talk about the UI, basically the user interface, basically in a government or private install business for audio, if somebody wants their own preference or they want their own design, then they can always ask us to design the UI for them, and we can fix it. We can design whatever they need. Let's talk about the applications about our conferencing products, the Cairo basically. We can use our product in conference and boardroom, in a distance education training, voice comm and UC room, multi-room routing, paging and playback, even a third-party integration to some extent. These are some example for conference and boardrooms. You can check, we have used our product Cairo 44, and then we have connected it with our Cairo 128 main DSP, kind of SLD, so that you can know how things works. Paging stations, as I said, if you wanted to stream your music for particular zone, you can always do that by connecting it for different zone. For distance education and learning, you can check out another example here. Uh, VoiceCom, USU Room, these are the kind of application diagram, so it will help you to understand the need. Then multi-room routing, so if you have some divisible room where you want to do the multi-room routing, these are the very best. I know I love this because just for example, let's take an example for a university or college where you have a small conference room and classrooms, and then there is auditoriums, and they want the background music in a somewhere. Then and they want to give all the control to IT manager. So the manager sitting into their IT room can handle all these devices, so he need not to go to each room to configure uh, uh, the systems or audio equipment. These are the ecosystems. Another example for huddle room, auditoriums, then classrooms and campus. So basically, if somebody using our product, basically the Cairo, we can take entire university in one platform and give all the control to IT. Basically, IT managers wants all the control of AB because they hate to go, individual classes auditorium when they need to go. So they want all they want all their control into their system. So this way, if they use Cairo, I mean that's the best. If you guys are looking for to book a demo, please book a demo with us. We have our partners available across the India, and you can reach out to us to book it. This is all for today. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a good day and enjoy the event, organized by Informa and Palm. Have a good day, guys. Thank you so much.
Audience, any questions? Feel free to get in touch with Vikram. Vikram sir, can you come up on stage for 1 second for the token of appreciation, please?